Guys, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all are doing well. There's a new addition in my room, and that's Stitch. Taz is still here. He looks creepy in the lamp right now. Anywho, on today's video, we will be doing a refrigerator deep clean. Now, we just cleaned the refrigerator part. We're not doing the refrigerator and the freezer. So just the refrigerator, which is the top two parts. We have a French door refrigerator. It is the brand of the Frigidaire Gallery. Yes, the husband spoiled me on that one, and yeah, a whole bunch of shenanigans. But hey, it is ours now, and I'm so happy, and I love it. I love it. I love it. It gives us all the space that we need for a family of 5. Stainless steel. It's like the gray stainless steel, and it's supposed to be not able to pick up fingerprints, but if you don't clean it, it still picks up. Okay, but yeah, so welcome to our channel. We are DATFAMILY5. We are a family of 5 that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. On this channel, you will get cleaning motivations, DIYs, mindfulness motivation, inspiration, shenanigans, just shenanigans. We have bought our house, coming up on 5 years in June, and yeah, so as the house is changing, you can go into the playlist, which I will put here, and I'll put down in the description box. It's called House Shenanigans. In the 5 years of living in this house, we have been through some things, okay? But it's our house, and we love it. We love it. We love it. And I know you're not really supposed to have feelings for a house, but yes, this is our house, and I'm in love with our house. So anyways, let's go ahead and get on to this motivation. Let's go ahead and roll that intro. Okay, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and give you the first overview of the refrigerator, of the outside and the inside, just to see how bad it is. It isn't that bad. And then after that, we can go ahead and take all the food out. And then we're going to clean the shelves off and the doors off. And then after that, we're going to put the food back in and give you a reveal. There is a blooper at the end, so stay till the end. And then, yeah, that is it. Let's go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of our 3 girls. And like I said before, on this channel, you get a whole bunch of cleaning motivations and lifestyle shenanigans. Thank you for being here, and we'll talk to you at the end.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life? Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all. Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away. Drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze pacify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself. On the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand. Just when you think you're in control, but you're not alone. Take my hand, no shame in the surrender to a bigger picture. Birds fly south for the winter, but you ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know you don't wanna burn bridges, but as time moves on, you slipping away from me. But did the ocean breeze pacify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself. On the run from yourself. You thought the grass was greener, but she was safe all along.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are common, funny girls are real sweet. So walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here fully if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool? Can I dance for you?
Best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you won us.
you think you be recording and you don't be recording and you be like, well, dang. Like, I just took off all the magnets. I know y'all just saw the magnets in the clip before. But they off. So, yes. Why does he think I'm...
On the Polaroids, just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking. But say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for visiting our channel and getting some motivation today. For we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for spending your time with us, because time is precious. And as always, we will see y'all on the tube. Peace out, you guys. Don't forget to stay for the bloopers.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah. There's a remedy.
Let me finish. Can I finish? I want to finish. Like, I'm ending right now.
No.
Move! Move!
I'm nowhere near you.
Yes, as soon as I open the door, you gonna get up.
I'm gonna sit down. I want to ask you to pass me a sausage so I can cook something.